Hi, I am Heidi Ann Dillon. This is my name sign. Today we'll be doing math. The topic is time. Let me tell you a story. In the morning, the sun came up. It was early. And I woke up, I stretched and I yawned. I went to the bathroom, washed my face. Then I went to my table and I sat there. I ate my breakfast. When I was done, I took a shower, brushed my teeth, and got dressed. Then I was off to work. I got in the car and I drove and I got to work. And I was there busy at work until the afternoon. The sun was so hot and I started to feel hungry. So I had my lunch. It was so delicious. So when I was finished eating lunch, I continued to work. Then it became evening. Then work was finished, so it was time for me to go back home. I got in the car and I drove home. I had my dinner. I sat and I watched some TV. When I looked through the window, I noticed it was dark. So now it was night time. So I went to bed. Did you see what happened throughout the day when I did those activities? Wow! It's the same with you. All of us, we do many different activities throughout the day. We start from morning and go on till night. So back in the day, persons used to tell the time using the sun. They looked at the sun, and when it rises, they knew that it was time to wake up. Sometimes persons used to listen to the rooster, and when the rooster crows, that will tell them it's time to wake up, and maybe they'll get ready to go to work or school. Now we can use different things to tell the time. For example, the clock. Sometimes we can use our phones. We can use a tablet, maybe a laptop, or even on TV. Wherever we go, we may see a clock in different places. We may see a clock in the classroom, at home. Maybe we can use our watch to tell the time. So now everyone has a common time. Now we'll focus more on the clock. There are two kinds of clocks. There's the analog and the digital. Both of them tell us the time. Today we'll focus more on the analog clock. If we look at the clock, we will see a face. The clock may be shaped like a circle, or rectangular. We call that the face of the clock. Clocks have numbers on them, from 1 to 12. For example, around the face of the clock, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers. The clock has hands. There is the short hand, which is called the hour hand. The hour hand goes all around the clock and points at each number on the hour. The other hand is longer. That's called the minute hand. That hand moves a little faster than the hour hand. It moves like this. Sometimes you may see a clock with a third hand. It's very small and thin, but it's long, and it's called the second hand. It moves faster than the other two hands. Again, the clock has hands. Can you tell me the names of the hands? What's the name of the first hand I mentioned? Yes, it's the hour hand. What's the name of the other hand? The minute hand. The third hand is the second hand. The hour hand moves slowly. The minute hand moves a little faster than the hour hand. The second hand moves much faster than the other two. So some activities that we do can match the speed of which each hand moves. For example, the hour hand moves slowly. Can you think of an activity that would match a slow movement? Maybe cooking. Another example that may match the slow movement of the hour hand is to clean the house. Can you think of any other activities that may match the hour hand? Good. Next is the minute hand. Think of an activity that can match the movement of the minute hand. Maybe taking a bath, yes, having a shower. Another activity that may match the speed of the minute hand may be taking a stroll. Can you think of any other activities? Good. Now for the second hand. What activity do you think may match the speed of the second hand? Ah, I know. Maybe sneezing. See, it's real fast. Another activity may be waving. See, it's done quickly. Can you think of any other one? Good. So do you see? Some activities we do may match the speed of which each hand may move. We can move slowly like the hour hand, a medium speed like the minute hand, and real fast like the second hand. Now, let's try to do some together. Look at the picture and tell me which activity matches the speed of the hour hand? Is it A or B? B, correct. Now, look at the other picture and tell me which of these activities matches the speed of the minute hand. Is it A or B? Correct, it's B. Again, look and tell me which picture matches the speed of the second hand. Is it A or B? Correct, it's A. Good job. Now, you tell me what may happen if there was no time. What would you do? Think about it and tell me. So see you next time, and we will continue to learn more about the time. Bye-bye.